So this is a Safelock. This is the ultimate in rental fleet. Quick hitches, zero tools, easy to use, easy to operate, hard wearing, and a dedicated system. So you can have buckets, regardless of the manufacturer of the excavator, that can fit across your fleet. I'll show you how easy it is to operate. Lift the handle, pull the handle, change your attachment, and then simply reverse the process. Pull the pin, and that's your hitch secure. Safelock fits machines from 3/4 of a tonne up to 9 tonne, 1,650 pounds up to 19,800 pounds. Due to the geometry and the design of Safelock, there is zero reduction in breakout force. So the intended performance of the machine is what you're going to get by fitting a Safelock. Safelock fit perfectly with our tilting hitch, 180 degrees of class leading torque, perfect for the toughest of grading and landscaping jobs. All our quick couplers are available worldwide. We hold stock in the UK and the US. We have a distribution network to get them anywhere in the world. So if you'd like any more information, feel free to head to the website. There's a contact form. Send an email to sales@harfordattachments.com.